Hi everyone, my name is Jorge Perez. Come visit us at iGadget Repair, located in Vista, on East Vista Way in Townsend Drive. Come visit us for any of your cell phone repair needs or tablet needs. We love what we do, and our number one goal is customer satisfaction. Thank you.